mindset, the mechanics, and drop into our awareness here is the three gunas, the three states of being. Balls of the foot, balls of the feet, and then back to the heels. Only bring the arms in as we get some momentum in. Oh, that alignment of the knee. Inhale, bringing that hand forward. If you close your eyes and feel, and then that rotation of the palms up to the sky. And then on your exhale, bringing the hands, maybe even placing your left hand over heart space again. Breathing in to that prana that you've invigorated.